Nokia 8600 disassembly, you will need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2 and the SS45. Also refer to the General Mechanical Guideline video for additional hints about the tools and component handling. Unlock and remove the battery cover. Unscrew these two Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown and remove them. Gently pry open the clips of the antenna cover assembly with the SRT6 and remove it. The keypad cover assembly can be shifted down and removed now. Carefully lift up and bend the black keypad. Now it can be removed easily. This black keypad can be reused if the adhesive stays on the keypad. Otherwise it must be renewed when reassembling. Gently push open the clips of the camera cover assembly. Note, the material of the display cover is very delicate and can be scratched easily. Flip over the camera cover assembly in order to release the clips on the opposite side. The cover can be removed now. Remove the volume key assembly. Unscrew these Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown. Discard these screws. Do not use them again. Slide the camera bezel into the direction shown and remove it. Unscrew these 6 Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown. Discard these screws. Do not use them again. Remove the antenna module. The clips of the keypad cover gusset will be released. Take away the keypad cover gusset. Lift up the RF shield painted. Carefully lift up the shield assembly. Note that this assembly is still connected with the engine module. Open the connector of the vibro motor. Unlock and remove the camera module with the SS45. Open the slider. Carefully open the flex connector with the SS93. The engine module can be removed now. Unscrew these two Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown and remove them. Discard these screws. Do not use them again. The display cover can be separated now. Shift out the LCD connector clip with the SS93. Remove the clip from the connectors. Carefully disconnect these flex foil connectors with the SS93. Remove the LCD. Keep this adhesive clean if this part should be reused. Lift out the earpiece assembly. Release the UI flex assembly, beginning at the volume dome sheet. Now peel off the UI flex assembly completely and discard it, Do not use it again. The disassembly procedure is now complete.